Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. Wilson's surgical wound. It appears to be infected.
Thank you, Mihira, for bringing this to my attention. Let's assess the wound and discuss the next steps.
The wound is red, swollen, and has some drainage. Mr. Wilson is also complaining of pain and tenderness.
Those are classic signs of infection. We'll need to culture the wound to identify the specific bacteria causing the infection.
I've already collected a wound swab and sent it to the lab.
Good. In the meantime, we'll need to start Mr. Wilson on antibiotics to treat the infection. We'll adjust the medication based on the culture results.
I'm also concerned about the risk of spreading the infection. Should we isolate Mr. Wilson?
That's a good precaution, Mihira. We'll isolate him until the infection is under control. That's perfectly okay, Mihira. It's completely understandable that not everyone is familiar with medical terms and conditions, so let me break it down for you to ensure we're on the same page. Peripheral vascular disease, or PVD, is a condition where the blood vessels, especially the arteries in your legs, become narrowed or blocked. This narrowing restricts the flow of blood to certain areas of your body, particularly your legs and feet. Now, blood is essential because it carries oxygen and vital nutrients to every part of your body. When these vessels are narrowed, the affected areas don't receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. This reduced blood flow is why the wound on your leg isn't healing as it should. The lack of proper circulation means your body is struggling to repair the damaged tissue. And Mihira, I would like to know your understanding of the complications it has on you.